This is John. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to update your iOS device, and this is iPhone 6. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you when you connect your phone to iTunes. As you can see here, you have to make sure you unlock your phone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unlock my phone here very quickly. And this is what we have. This phone is going to be upgraded. In my next video, I'll show you how to do that. What we have here, I have the iOS device, and I'm going to update the files too. I'm going to do the backup, to this PC. I'm going to do backup now. Then after, I'll do, they're asking me to encrypt. I'm not going to encrypt the data. I'm going to say don't encrypt. So this will start the backup, as you can see up here. And when you restore your iOS device and you want to these files back, in case you have a new phone, you can still get that backup and put it on another phone. So in our case here, I'm going to transfer this data to this phone. As you can see, it's an iPhone 6. So I'm going to transfer it to my other phone. Then after, I'll restore the system. So here the backup has started. And you have to wait for a few minutes for the backup to complete. And then our video will be good to go. So this is how you do the backup on your iOS devices, and this would work on other versions, iPads, iPod, all other versions of iOS. So after, I'll just go and restore a backup from the computer, then I'll be able to open my files from the computer. So we are using iTunes, and in your case, you have to use the latest iTunes. Yes, you have to use the latest iTunes so that you can be able to So our backup has completed, and if I go to restore a backup, I'll be able to see the backup that we had made, like shows the time here. Let me come closer. Shows the time that we have backed up our iPhone at 11 o'clock. So if I want to restore, I just click restore. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. So this is how we do the backup. Thanks for watching. My next video, I'll show you how to update your iPhones. And thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.